medium size. Kasi medium size small na siya.
Maliit yung una na bigay.
Ano yan? Oo. Bigay mo na lang kay Paul yan. O kaya, kay ano, pili ko kasya kay Seth yan eh. Laki ni Seth eh.
Kasi nakiset to. Kikikip ko nga lang.
Game na?
Okay.
Okay na, Paul.
Kap, you're on the mic ha.
Game na daw.
Kaya ako. Thank you, Kap.
Get it on.
Susunod ko po yung Hamilton kasi sa next na ACS na.
Brian, top of the key. Cross court pass to Anthony. Anthony, two dribble pull up, no good. Rebound by Brian and 2 points.
Hindi alam ni Mix ko anong tumama sa kanya.
Experience si Mix.
Game number 5 oh.
Here comes Jeff Garcia.
Na-challenge by manhood.
Ano eh.
Marky, hot shooting hands to Mark.
Kami, and then,
Makes for 3. Short this time. Eller rebound.
so baka sila
Puts it up. Too strong. Kapitan. And the ball goes to the black shirt.
Kayo.
Gray.
Next.
Kailangan ng bola.
Kaso wala na si Rowen. Yun lang.
Alan.
Ikaw na.
Good screen by Bry. Too strong. Marky a rebound. Go ahead pass. JJ all along and all the way. For 2 points. Here comes Alvin and the blue shirts. Binigay kay Alan.
Time muna tayo.
Baseline. Gray top of the key. Fakes a pass. Dribble drive. Kick out.
Alan!
Pull up. Too strong. Ryan offensive rebound once more. Didn't get the basket. The second offensive rebound of the night of the ball.
Kap, white tayo mamaya.
Sige.
White tayo. Oy, white na kayo. White tayo mamaya.
Serving the floor, Anthony. Foul ang tinawag.
A little bit too aggressive para
Okay, Marky. With the coaching advice from Mix. Brian, top of the key. Fakes. Anthony for 3. First 3 of the game.
What a roll.
And Marky returns the advice to Mix.
Sumunod ka dyan, papatrade ka
And here
niyan.
comes El, the birthday boy, wearing his shiny red shoes. Marky for 3. Yes, sir! And Marky continues to shoot the night with his 3-point shots. And the score is tied to 5. Anthony lets it fly. No good. And offensive board. Sumaksak sa baseline. Lays it up. No good. Pero foul ang tinawag ni Jeff. They want to box out everybody. Gray. Dribble penetration. Taking the shoot. Taking the pass.
5 seconds to shoot.
Binigay kay Brian. Brian top of the key. Anthony Gray for 3. Too strong.
Right place at the right time.
Anthony versus Marky. Height is might, ang sabi ni Anthony. Sabi ni Marky. We'll see about that.
Nakalaban ko na si ano.
Nakatawag na po ni Marky si Anthony. Trey pulls up. Gets the bounce.
Smooth.
7-5.
Oh, kayo itong bronze na.
11 minutes remaining sa ating ball game. Jeff bounce pass to Marky. Marky! Isang bola. At nadala sa Eris Marky.
Dala sa ere.
A little bit. Careless on the shot there.
Tangin na ka, buti ko na mabuga ang tubig ko, gago.
This is the Marky matchup of the night.
Anthony, libre-libre!
Too strong.
Miguel, Mix M.
Looking ahead, but Anthony Curry is there to stop the ball. Makes the KL penetration.
The birthday layup.
Layup for the birthday boy, nonetheless.
Hoy, Mark, di mo kaya.
He's catching his breath after a few
Oh
counts.
my God. Ayun o, free throw.
Alan, top the key.
Ay, dalawa kayo. Tatlo na kayo.
Brian
Ooh.
takes
Hindi, pinapangat.
Ilang na siya ni Marky.
Ang na sinapitan na.
It's ano tawag sa ganun? Duty foul
Duty foul.
by our Marky, arguably the best fourth option in any team. Alan.
Wow!
Nagdukot naman nun. Dukot King, Alan Libunaw. And here comes
Ang double meaning.
Mix. Gathering his squad. Jeff Garcia. Hesitation.
Ay, huli yun.
Pass. Natapikin ni Alan. Alan.
Kaya? Kaya, ay, sayang.
Loses the handle. The ball goes back to the white shirt. We have a ball game, ladies and gentlemen. 9-7
Yes, we do,
score,
Kap. Yes, we
9
do.
minutes 40 remaining sa ating game na ito. Marky, all alone to shoot corner three.
Oh my God, this guy is on fire!
Minutes.
On fire!
Alahoy na tira mula kay Anthony.
Alahoy na tira.
Binigay kay Mix. Mix. Sinusukat.
Walang makakatakas sa mata mo, Kap.
Here comes JD. JD, binigay kay Mix. Binigay kay L. Fakes. Drives.
Birthday layup! Birthday layup!
Inspired gaming.
And turnover. Sa ating blue shirts. And the lead is starting
Uy, no, running for championship, oh.
But,
to get bigger, mga kaibigan. 12-9, 3-point lead by the white shirts. Here comes JB. Di ba ko nagpapakita si JB sa lamong to?
Di na raw kailangan, Kap.
challenge.
Di na raw kailangan. May mark daw eh.
Because there's Marky. Here's L. JB.
Ayan na.
Wide open for 3. No good. Rebound ni Mix. Mix. Double clutch. No good. Rebound ni Jeff.
Grabe, king of the boards.
Jeff for 3. Yes, sir! They're just shooting all cylinders.
Admin game.
Mga kaibigan.
Admin
The lead is now back. The lead is up to 6. 59, but hindi ko mo too late. We still have 8 minutes. Marami pong basketball to. Here comes Bry. Bry, let's spin! Hack Bry ang kanilang strategy, mga kaibigan.
Kakabray.
Ray. To Alvin.
Shot clock, 7.
Alvin. Malaksak. Finger
Uy,
roll.
sayo.
Tapikan. Last touch. No. Recovery, Jeff. Jeff. Nagpapalik mo ba? Jeff against Alvin, against Ray. Kick out to JB. JB loses the handle. JB kick out to Mix. Mix. All they shoot, but did not shoot. Binigay kay Marky. Marky did not shy away for a three, pero pinasa niya. Corner 3 attempt from JB. Short. Oh, what a block by Brian. Tapikan. And last touch. Craig.
White ball.
Challenge ni Jeff Tumira.
10 to shoot.
Mix. For 3, too strong. Rebound ni Marky. Marky, binigay Mix. Mix. Sumaksak sa bigna. Pumili. Walang mapasahan. Binigay ni Marky. Marky.
5 seconds.
Asking for the ball. Short. Rebound. Nakuha ni Alvin. Alvin and the blue shirts. Used to be Alvin and the chipmunk.
Carpio goes left.
Carpio. Pinaliwa pa. Jeff. Mark E. Challenging Anthony Curry. Hands up. And floater. Too strong. Mark E. Akalain mo naka-rebound eh. Here comes Brian. 2-on-2 situation.
Nice land.
Anthony versus JB. High off the board. Pero foul at tinawal. Hindi naniniwala si JB na foul yun.
Challenge.
Call daw, pero ano. Hindi kasi siya mute.
Medyo namikpilisi ka doon ah. Here comes Ray. Alan, gets away. Spotted and move.
Smooth.
He's been doing that move since 1998. Mga kaibigan.
Talaga ba?
TBA days.
Akala ko 2008 lang.
Here comes JB.
Wow!
All the way, Tapikan. Nakuha ni L. L. Deep. Behind the board.
Uy!
JB.
Kanina daw.
gets the foul. 5 minutes 20 remaining sa ating ball game. 4-point lead lang ang laman ng ating white shirts. Makes for 3. Behind. Makes the 3. Yes, sir. Second 3 of the night. Here comes Ray.
18-11.
Got the lead. And the lead. Bigay Brian. Hits. Rebound.
Kanya lahat yun.
18-13. The lead is up to 5. Here comes Mix again. Ganun na si Anthony. They used to be friends, mga kaibigan. Mark E, all day to shoot. Top of the key. Too strong. Now what ni Brian? Brian, binigay ni Alvin. Alvin.
May beef ba? May beef.
Binigay kay Craig. Craig. Bounce. Uy! Nice boy! Medyo nagalangan lang si Alvin ng konti. All day to shoot si Mark. Binigay ni LL.
Wow!
Yes, sir. Oh.
Galing.
Here comes Alan.
18 tam.
20-30.
Or touch screen from Alvin Curry.
Nakashoot ba?
Nakashoot. 20-15 na. Sino nakashoot?
Si Adi. Ay, si Alan. Sorry.
Ano lang?
Lima.
5-point lead pa rin. 20-15. Hindi pa po naman tayo, mga kaibigan.
20-15.
This is anybody's ball game pa rin.
Shot clock 5.
Here comes Jeff.
Uy!
Hindi ba kay Brian? One situation.
May tulak pa sa tabi.
Wow, tawag.
Ha? Layo! Layo!
Good. Lang.
From point A to point ano eh? Point A to point C. Oo, sobrang layo nung nangyari.
5-point lead po ang ating white shirt Stray.
Ang dalawa nun. May nakaharang kasing ring.
Tumama sa ilalim ng ring. Here comes L, the birthday boy, against 2 dark shirts. Crossover move. Euro step.
Grabe, wala. Nabitawan.
Patay ang lamok. This foul is brought to you by
Malayo.
Kapo.
Malayo, di ba? Malayo.
Mark E. Deep to the left.
Nako.
Mark E for 3. Short. Tapitan, Mark E. Medyo hindi nagkaintindihan dalawang blue shorts doon. Mark E again. Binigay Mix. Binigay kay Jeff. Jeff fakes the pass. Binigay Mix out the key against his former friend. Natapigan. Nakakuha ni
1 second na lang.
Jeff.
Oy, siya na.
Shot block. What a good defense by the dark shirts. Two minutes 18 remaining sa ating ball game. 5-point lead. They badly need the basket to get this game closer. And Gray just in time. Just on cue.
Hindi nakatingin.
Sabi ko, tingin-tingin muna.
Nothing but at the bottom of the coin. 3-point lead.
Tatlo lang yun, oh. Tatlo, oh.
Here comes Mix against his former friend. Oh! What a miscue by JB. JB.
Ako, yan na. Nagbago na sa Alan.
Alan against L.
Libunaw time.
Uy, yun! Medyo dark swing na rin natin sa pagkakataon yun.
Ako, libre.
JB against Anthony, who is a smaller defender, gets the 2 points. Here comes CC, crossover move. Pulls up, short, tapikan, nabitawan, nakakuha ni Mix, binigay kay JB. JB against Alvin, against Trey, against 3 defenders, but gets the foul.
Tama, 22-7. Pero hindi natin ito mga...
Mix, corner 3, too strong. Alvin, ay, Lead on 10. Foot race.
Grabe.
And here it comes.
Whoa!
Nice. Feel good. Sabi ni
Panis.
Anthony. Taking that layup in front of his former friend. With his wife.
Former na, no?
Manalo pala dito, friendship over.
Crossover move by L. L. Binigay kay Marky. Marky. Pinasa kay Jeff. Jeff fakes. Checks the shot. Up. Oh, good. Ang ganda pa sa nabitawan ni Mix. Nabitawan ni Mix. And Alan is ahead.
Aba pa.
Anthony. Binigay kay Anthony. Anthony.
Libre.
For 3.
Oh! Isa pa.
That might have been big, mga kaibigan. Ay! Nautik na malo ni Alvin Curry! JB! JB! Roach! Fire shots! Here comes Mix! Mix falls away! Yes, sir! Well, seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Alan don't want to give up for Dave! And that... Oh, Marky! What an achievement! Napasama niya sa linggan mula after.
Former
Former friend.